Let's go get new tires put on. All right, got the Hottie Sonati all loaded up. All right, guys, just got back with the new meat on the wheels. It's time to put it on the car. The wheels are off, and now it's time to put the new wheels on. I cannot wait to see how this thing's gonna look. All right, guys, so we got the first one on, and we're already running into problems that I did not think about. This caliper is too big, so the wheel will not spin. So we're going to have to run at least a little bit of a spacer, but with how wide these wheels are, I think we're definitely gonna have to go wide body in the front to make everything fit up perfectly. So it's wide body for the front time. Now for the back, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. It may be too wide where I can't put the wheel on because how low the car is. But I'm gonna see if we can fit this wheel on. Back's on, and it's gonna be so tight. I'm probably just gonna lower it down and see what happens. At this point, I just wanna see what it looks like when it's on the ground. This could go very bad. It's probably not gonna go good. So let's just see what happens. All right, that's all the way down. It looks okay. All right, so the wheels are on, and yeah, it's touching here. It's touching here. It's time to cut the wide body. All right, so before we can start sanding everything down, we're gonna take all of this Bondo out using a chisel and a hammer to see how bad it really is. Guys, we got all this Bondo off this quarter panel. It looks like shit. The next thing we're gonna do is cut these quarter panels and get ready for the wide body, because we're definitely gonna have to wide body this car because there is no shot we're gonna fix this absolutely perfectly. So yeah. All right, guys, so the fender is cut. We got the wide body mocked up. Now it's time to drill the holes and put these Cleco pins in to make sure everything fits up perfectly. We got the wide body all mounted up. Now it's time to test fit the wheels. The wheels put on. This fitment looks fucking amazing. Let me know what you think. Now let's lower the car. All right, guys, I absolutely love the way this is looking. I think it looks absolutely amazing. We're about to do the front. Let's get into it. Cleco pins in, and it's time to put the wheels on. Let's go. All right, guys, we got everything on. It looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, I mean, everything's on. On the rear is absolutely beautiful. The rear's tucking, guys. The rear's tucking. What you think?
Oh shit. A lot of hard work went into this, and we're not even close to done. But yeah, no, it's gonna be really cool, really low, a lot of hate.
Wow.
It looks so good.
What do you think?
It looks really
Awesome.
good. Like it looks way better with the wide body.
It looks way better like this.
It looks really good.
Look how tight the body fits to this
I need to see it on the side. Like,
Yeah.
Did you notice that, Alex? How tight this body fit?
It looks really good.
yeah, that looks like perfect.
Yeah,
thick,
whoever
but
said don't put the wide body on this car, it's okay to be wrong.
All right, guys, so we got the kit all mocked up with the Clayco pins. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Fitment looking saucy. Comment down below, what do you guys think about this Fitment? I don't know if we're gonna be able to drive like this, but we're definitely gonna try our best. For the rears, they look absolutely amazing. Nice little tuck. I absolutely love it. Comment down below what we should do next to the car, and I'll see you in the next one. You should put bags, like on the car. All right, let's do it. No, not grocery bags, bags. Oh, you mean like garbage bags? Looks kind of sick, I don't know. Oh my gosh, no bags. Don't even think about it, not those bags. Bro, they're talking about airbags. Why do they want me to put an airbag on the car? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Airbag suspension, not a freaking airbag. Oh, why didn't you just say that? You got me putting all these bags on the car for nothing? Airbags would look super sick on this car though. We should do that.